Hello and welcome to this very short video from Enrichmentors on a subject that is very close to your heart. The right career. Just like many teenagers and students, are you also finding trouble in choosing the right career? Well then, this video is for you. Let me introduce myself. I am a management coach and mentor with 40 years of experience in talent development. I passed out of IIM Bangalore in 1981 with post-graduation in marketing and finance. Then I worked for 26 years with great companies like Unilever, Johnson Johnson, and Dulux, and have been consulting for last 15 years now in and coaching and counseling specifically individuals. Also, I worked as a part of this last 15 years at IIM Udaipur from 2015 to 21, career counseling many students there. Right. So let's talk about importance of career. Career values are important because they can help you set the parameters for your personal satisfaction and accomplishment as a professional. By identifying your own values and what matters most to you, you can be specific in your career search and use your values to shape your path forward. Now, how can you choose the right career? To make a right career choice that's good for you, you need a process which we will give you. And this process you can use time again and again throughout your life whenever you need to have a doubt on this question of what is the right career for you. And we have launched this course for you so that you can complete your journey for choosing the right career with us. What will be taught in this course? So we have these 6 sections. It's starting with introduction overview in the course, where we'll give you an initial idea of what the course is all about and what are the steps involved in choosing the right career, and that we will take you through in the next 4 sections of setting career objective, listing career options, evaluating career options, and double checking whether you made the right career choices, and finally summarize. So that's what is in this course. So what will you get from this course? You will get a very clear vision about your future. Yes. At the end of the session, you will be clear about your goals and career choices at this point of time. What else? This is a 1 hour on-demand video which you can quickly complete. It has 6 downloadable resources. You have full lifetime access. You can access it on mobiles and TV. You have assignments in each section so that you can actually make a career choice at this point of time for yourself. And finally, there is a certificate of completion. So let's choose the right career for you together and use the link below that we have. So thank you so much for watching this short video from Enrichmentors. I hope this will work for you in looking more about how to make your right career choice.